Oh, nangita ang trabaho no. Pag-apply. I know a lot of people right now are looking for a job internationally or locally. Okay, some piece of advice. If you can see or if you can find a job posting sa group pages or let us say sa website or anywhere else, please try to read and comprehend and follow the instructions given by the companies. Okay? Always try to read and follow the instructions. If ang request nila is i-email nimo ang imuhang resume, then email it. Dili sa messenger, but email it. Dili na ka mag-comment og how, but email it. There are some posting dili kompleto details, then try to find a way to message them through messenger if dili complete ang details. But if the details are complete, then follow it. Okay? Kaduha, before you email them your resume, do a little research about the company. Try to check their company profile, their their background, and also try to check also kung nindot ba jud ang ilahang company, because this can help you through to your interview in the future. At least you have a little knowledge about the company. Okay, dili lang murag sa wala lang nagpasa ra ka and then humana. And kung mag-send gani mo resume, please try to put cover letter. Okay, cover letter. Kay kung wala gani cover letter ang uban, usahay dili na nila basahon. Okay? They will check your cover letter, and then pag nabasa na nila imong cover letter, they will download your resume and check. So that's how the hiring process. Okay? After that, I know na mo ingon nga kanang dili man gud tanan kabalo magbuhat og cover letter or magbuhat og resume, but you have to improve yourself because by this generation technology nang ato ang kalaban. You have to learn how to use the technology. So learn how to use some AI platforms. Try to ask help from AI platforms. Though as a teacher, I don't really recommend that these, but you can use it actually to help yourself. Um, use AI in a better way. Okay? Dili nga nagpabuhat na lagi kag cover letter sa AI, wala na pud nimo gibasa. Na. Basaha pod. Because remember, not all AI platforms are 99% accurate or 100% accurate. So try to read. Nagabutan na gani na sila AI response is not accurate. Nya dili pa jud mo basahon o dili pa jud mo i-check. And then also, for those people posting their resume on group pages, ni ata. Ngano? Nganong i-post man ninyo ang inyong resume sa group pages. No. Sana, gina-share na ni imong imuhang pagkatao sa tanang naadira sa group pages? Sounds cringy. Always ko kitaan na eh. And lami kayo i-comment nga kanang But then please try not to post your resume on group pages. Be careful sa imuhang personal identity or identification. Personal information, I mean. Sayang, kay basi kawatan na yung mga personal information. Di ba? Gamito na yung mga pangalan. Careful in tawon. Okay? Try to protect yourself. Do not put it in a group page. Okay? If you're looking for a job, try to email the company. Do not put or upload it in a group pages. Okay? Remember, ang trabaho dili mangita nimo kundi ikaw ang mangitag trabaho. Okay? Maliban na lang siguro og summa cum laude ka when you were in college. Kay pwede nila pag-agawan ang imuhang resume. Okay? Wala siguro na. Kay kalimot naman kung sa pa akong isulti. But then, yeah, thank you so much for today. And please follow me for more. Kawala na ka sa imong buhatan. Thank you. Bye.